Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about AWS Audit Manager. We'll talk about what AWS Audit Manager is, benefits, use cases, and how it works in a typical application environment. Let's dive in. AWS Audit Manager is an auditing service for AWS users. It enables you to assess risk and compliance with regulations and industry standards. AWS Audit Manager automates evidence collection to assess if policies, procedures, and activities, also known as controls, are operating effectively. It enables you to map compliance requirements to AWS users' data with pre-built and custom frameworks and automated evidence collection. Let's talk about benefits of AWS Audit Manager. AWS Audit Manager offers the following benefits for your organization: map uses and controls with frameworks, save time, and streamline collaboration. Let's see each of these benefits. Map uses and controls with frameworks. AWS Audit Manager enables you to map your AWS uses and controls with pre-built and custom frameworks. Save time. You can save time with automated evidence collection and focus on confirming that your controls work properly. Streamline collaboration. You can streamline collaboration across teams and ensure the integrity of your audits with read-only permissions. Now let's talk about use cases for AWS Audit Manager. AWS Audit Manager supports the following use cases, which cover the need of a broad spectrum of customers: transition from manual to automated evidence collection, continually audit to assess compliance, and deploy internal risk assessments. Let's talk about each of these use cases. Transition from manual to automated evidence collection. Avoid the need to collect, review, and manage evidence with automated evidence collection. Continually audit to assess compliance. Automatically collect evidence, monitor your compliance posture, and proactively reduce risk by fine-tuning your controls. Deploy internal risk assessments. Customize a pre-built framework from scratch and then launch an assessment to automatically collect evidence. Excellent. Now let's see how AWS Audit Manager works in a typical application environment. Use AWS Audit Manager to map your compliance requirements to AWS users' data with pre-built and custom frameworks and automated evidence collection. The diagram is created by Amazon Web Services. It shows the key features of AWS Audit Manager and how to use the service. We recommend you read the diagram and get a better understanding of how AWS Audit Manager works in a typical application environment. In conclusion, using AWS Audit Manager, audit and compliance professionals can continually audit your AWS uses to simplify risk and compliance assessment. That's all about AWS Audit Manager. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.